In this video, you'll learn how to change ClickUp themes so your workspace looks and feels just the way you like it. We'll go through each part slowly and clearly, so even if you're new to ClickUp, you'll be able to follow along without any trouble. First, make sure you're logged in and looking at your main ClickUp workspace. On the far left side of your screen, you'll see the vertical sidebar where you normally access your spaces, favorites, and other tools. What we're interested in is the More option in that far left sidebar. Take your time and move your mouse toward the bottom or middle area of that sidebar, depending on how your layout is set up. You're looking for an option that usually appears as 3 dots, or it may be labeled as More. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up additional options that aren't always visible in the main sidebar. From this menu, you'll see several different choices for how you interact with your workspace. The one we want is called Customize Navigation, and this is the area where you can adjust how things look and how your sidebar is organized. Find Customize Navigation and click on it. Once you're inside the Customize Navigation area, look for the section labeled Theme. This is where ClickUp groups all of your visual appearance settings, including colors and overall style. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right place. You should see options related to how the app looks instead of things like notifications or tasks. Click on Theme to open your theme settings. Here, ClickUp will show you the different themes you can choose from. Depending on your version, you'll usually see options like light, dark, or perhaps some additional color accents or presets. This is where you actually change how ClickUp appears on your screen. Now, change the theme by selecting the one you want. When you click on a theme, ClickUp will typically update the interface either instantly or after a brief moment so you can see what it looks like. This makes it easy to compare a couple of themes before you decide which one you prefer. As you try different themes, pay attention to how text contrast and colors look, especially if you're working long hours or in different lighting conditions. A darker theme can be easier on the eyes in low light, while a lighter theme may feel cleaner and brighter during the day. Choose the one that feels most comfortable and helps you focus. Once you're happy with your new theme, there usually isn't anything extra you need to do. ClickUp saves the change automatically, and your new look will carry over as you move between different views and spaces. If you ever want to switch back or try something new, just repeat the same process. Go to the More option in the far left sidebar, open Customize Navigation, go to Theme, and pick a different one. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to change ClickUp themes using the built-in navigation and theme settings so you can keep your workspace both functional and visually comfortable while you work.